Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to log out of WhatsApp Desktop on your Windows computer. First, open WhatsApp Desktop and make sure your WhatsApp account is currently connected. Now look at the top area of the WhatsApp window and click your profile picture or the three-dot menu, depending on the version you're using. From the menu, open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the option related to logging out of your WhatsApp account. Click Logout. WhatsApp may show a confirmation message before signing you out. Confirm the action by selecting Logout again. After you confirm, WhatsApp will remove your account from the desktop application, and your chats will no longer be accessible from that computer. You should now see the WhatsApp Welcome or QR code screen again. This means the account has been successfully logged out from WhatsApp Desktop. Logging out is useful when you are using a shared or public computer and don't want your WhatsApp account to remain connected. If you want to use WhatsApp Desktop again later, you can simply open the application and link your account by scanning the QR code with your phone. So the process is very simple. Open WhatsApp Desktop, go to the menu or Settings, select Log Out, and confirm the action. Always remember to log out when using WhatsApp on a computer that other people can access, and that's how you can log out of WhatsApp Desktop in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.